Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows can't find one of the files in this theme, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing, a lot of users are suggesting that you can disable syncing files and all, but here's the thing, how does it even matter? I mean, that's not the solution. First of all, try changing the theme as a workaround. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab, change this theme like the blue theme to the red theme, but that is a workaround. It is not the fixed. The main fix would be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.